What's going on, guys? I've got a 2014 Chevy Captiva here, and I'm using this car to point out to you the location of the 3 fuses for the blower motor, and I'm also going to go over some troubleshooting steps with you. So pop down here. We open this piece by hooking in on this and pulling it back. This whole piece will hinge open. We're going to check the run 2 fuse, which is that 10 amp fuse right there. And the blower motor fuse is this 40 amp J-case fuse right next to it. This is where the power for the actual blower motor comes from. And there's also an HVAC fuse right there, that 15 amp fuse. Now the power from that blower motor fuse, it does not go to the blower motor directly. It first goes to your blower motor control unit right here. This in turn sends a power and a ground to the blower motor itself, which is right here. Now, if your blower motor is not coming on, my favorite way to test these out is to smack the bottom. Have the blower motor turned on and just whack the bottom here. Sometimes a bad connection will occur inside the motor. So if you whack on it and then it starts to spin, then you know that the blower motor is just starting to fail. You can also take the connector here and you can wiggle it from side to side. If you wiggle it and then the blower motor starts going, you may want to just go ahead and disconnect it and see what's going on. Oftentimes a bad connection will form here. You'll see corrosion, or the pins will be burnt. They'll be black or brown. Yeah, if you do see corrosion there, you'll just need this new wiring piece. It goes from the blower motor control module to the blower motor. Now, one other thing you can do with this disconnected, you can have the blower motor turned on and you can use a voltmeter and see if you measure voltage between these 2 pins. If you see voltage there, but the blower motor is not turning, then you know that the blower motor is bad. If you do not see voltage at this connector, then you can't really condemn the blower motor because it's not receiving any power to begin with. In that case, you may have an issue with your blower motor module there. So yeah, I hope that this information was helpful for you. Please do let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, if you have any advice for troubleshooting the blower motor on your Chevy Captiva. Thanks for watching.